Good morning. Guess who's back? They're just putting more gravel on that thing because they ran out yesterday. So they're back. This little one is just a jump. Like usual. She's getting really good at jumping. Of course, she's not going to do it now. Hey, little. Can you jump? She had a half an hour nap this morning, which absolutely sucks. Going from 2-hour naps to half an hour again, I don't know what the heck is going on. But I have not broken and given her a soother or anything. Goodness. She had her shots yesterday, so I can't be too mad. I know she's going to be not herself for the next couple days, but I'd like her to go back to napping well. There's literally nothing else I can do. I don't nurse her to sleep. She doesn't have a soother. She's not in my arms anymore. Always in her crib. There's nothing that I am doing wrong. Like nothing. So maybe she just doesn't like me. Bailey. Nope. There. Oh, hi. 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 It's getting dumped. My goodness, look at it all. What is the matter with the baby? Hey, what's the matter? Bailey. Oh, goodness. So we just got to Costco and my little babe is getting a fever. I think she's feeling a little bit lethargic. Is it from your shots yesterday, little? Yeah, I took her temperature before we left. It was 37. So she'll just be nice and calm for our shopping trip. That's a lot of work by yourself. Dogs are so annoying. Okay, we made it. Now we just have to put everything away. Oh, this little one fell asleep on the drive home. I hope we didn't mess up all your naps. Like 5 minutes of sleeping. Let's take off my dirty shoes. Gross. Yeah, it's a lot of stuff. Lettuce, some sweet potato fries, some cereal. That I buy. This is like the second time ever in my life having to buy this. Milk. These dry ribs I'm gonna try and see if they're anything like browns. I doubt it. Some hash, some hash. This is like breakfast hash. It's not the drug kind. Some deodorant, some chicken pot pie for Brandon's lunch, some potatoes for dinners, some Rice Krispie squares for snackies, some bacon in there, popsicles, pizza, strawberries, muffins, some steak. Where'd the chicken end up? I got some chicken wings somewhere in here. Oh, yeah, and then tortellini. Oh, yeah, $260 later. Everything is right here. All right, let's put the frozen stuff away. I can't handle all the cuteness. This is just so cute. Hi. Don't look at that thing. Little. Hi. Hi. I don't know if she's gonna cry or laugh. She's on the brink of crying and laughing at the same time. Wait. Ow. Hi. Hi. Are you laughing? She likes being blown on. Just squinty eyes. Hi. Hi. This is what having your shots done yesterday does to you, happy baby. What? Do you even know why you're upset? Oh, I know. What? You're happy 1 minute and then next you're sad and you just don't know? Oh, I'm so mean for kissing you. Just to not show everyone my boob. Oh, gross. This is the afternoon planned. Now that our plumbing is working, I am folding laundry. This is her whites load. Mainly consists of towels and burp cloths. And her color load has more of the specific item. I see one. Where is it? Bibs. That shouldn't be in the whites. Oh, that's a pretty cute view. She's watching Bubble Guppies for a little bit. Oh, that's just the cutest butt ever. My goodness. It's cute until she poops everywhere. All right, fold the laundry. Bailey, is that your new way to get attention? You just scream? Sorry for your ears, people. Bailey, that's not how you get your way. Hey, Bailey. Bailey. Hey. Hey. You just scream and you get what you want? Yeah, you just scream? So I'm preparing dinner here. Got some potatoes with some Italian spices, asparagus. This time these are fresh. I just bought them at Costco, so they will go well. That's preheating. The grill is out and ready for the steak, sauce, or spices. The steak is in the fridge, and the baby is so angry. See if we can calm her down. Baby. Night time. Hey, hey, hey. It's night time. It's night time. Okay, night. Oh yeah, so needless to say, her naps are sucking today. Just, she's extra fussy from having the shot. And the new sleep schedule that we're on, the Sleep Sense program is what it's called. She can't have a soother or anything. And she told me that by day 5, she would regress, which means fight it and see how far she can get. Because if she keeps crying and crying and crying, she's hoping I'll break and give her either the boob or a soother, and I'm not gonna do it. So we'll just let her be sleep deprived. I'm giving her every opportunity she needs to go to sleep. It's her responsibility to go to sleep. I am taking it out of my hands. It's not my fault. There's nothing I can do about it. I'm not doing anything wrong. Like, I'm not. There's literally nothing that I can change. She's not crying. Oh, yeah, she is. Okay, so we'll give her 10 minutes, go in, 10 minutes, go in, and so on and so forth for an hour and 10 minutes. And if that doesn't work, then she's gonna be real tired for bedtime. All right, she finally fell asleep. It took her like less than 10 minutes because she probably pooped herself out from crying so much. She's crying pretty hard. Daisy, quit it. Speaking of Daisy, Daisy. Brandon and I are severely considering getting her voice box removed. Some people say it's cruel because it's their defense mechanism. She needs to defend herself from nothing, so she does not need it. She's in our yard. She doesn't, like, no, she's fine. She's not being attacked by dogs. She doesn't need to bark. But she barks non-freaking stop. The plumber yesterday, was it yesterday? Yeah, yesterday was telling me, because he heard the dogs, what kind of dogs do you have? And I told him, Diesel, he's so great, he's beautiful, he's the best. He looks at me when I say his name. Hi, boo-boo. Poop. Okay, you're not allowed on this couch, though. No, Diesel. I know, you're the good one. Get off, though. And then I said, I have a min pin. And he said, oh, I had a min pin, too. And then he says, keyword, had. He had to get rid of the min pin because she would not shut up. It is something about Min Pins. I didn't do my research before I bought her, and that was pretty stupid of me. Man, she's annoying. Like, I don't know. It's either remove the voice box or get rid of her. That's where we're at right now. She gets all other dogs going, and it's like, I can't handle it anymore. I thought moving here would help, and, you know, there's no people above us making noise or going in and out the door. Apparently that wasn't the problem. Daisy's the problem. Sorry, Mom and Rod. Oh my gosh. So she can see the front. And Bailey's crying again. Oh, this kid is ridiculous. So anyway, she can see out the front window and she barks when someone walks by. She can see through the fence and she knows when the neighbors come or people drive by or kids drive by, whatever, and barks and barks and barks. And then when the neighbor lets his dog out next door, barks and barks and barks and barks and barks. So voice box is being removed, and if that doesn't help, which it should because she won't be able to bark, then we will find a nice home for her, for someone who enjoys a yappy dog, which I don't really think is anyone. Okay, good. She fell back asleep. Little turd. Usually within the first 10 minutes of falling asleep, she'll wake up and cry again, just to test the waters, see if I'll come get her, which I won't. I'm being very strong. I'm incredibly proud of myself. This is not like me at all. But I hate hearing her cry. But I know it's for the best, and crying won't kill her. She's perfectly fine. She's dry. She's fed. She's burped. There's no reason, besides her being fussy from her shot. Daisy! In this clip alone, she has tried to bark like 4 times. Oh, flippin' 5 times. Who just got home? The naked baby. Had the naked baby. Hey, Brandon. Pervert. It's too bright. I don't care. Daddy's home. Is Daddy home? Yeah, can you get her voice box removed immediately? Please? Get Daisy's voice box removed? Nudist. Well, she wants to be the focus of the camera. Okay, naked Jumpy, you jump.
These are the best bacon bits.
I know, Costco.
Yeah.
No.
Pretty good.
Well, you can get them anywhere, I think.
Walmart.
Yeah. So my asparagus is a success this time. Woo woo. Steak is absolutely perfect. Potatoes. And surprise! Hi, he came at the perfect time.
I guess so.
And Costco sells steaks in 3s, so bonus. Bailey.
Oh no.
Don't let her see it.
Okay.
Diesel, get out of the way. Come on. Diesel, come on. You do it.
Was she doing it a little bit?
Yeah. Bailey. Hey.
No.
Bailey.
Dang it. She totally knows. There it is.
There you go.
There's the tongue.
She's a copycat.
What are you doing?
Bailey. Little.
Wait for it.
There you go. Yes. Good job.
Diesel, you retard.
He's doing it again.
Nice tongue. That's a cute face. Hi. Hello. There's the mother tongue doing there, and then. Hey. And then
Baby,
she'll
do it.
take your tongue out. No.
Oh, now the dogs are distracting.